Welcome back. Goa bench of Bombay High Court has partially quashed and set aside the land acquisition for Mopa Airport. Bench quashed notification under Section 4 and declaration under Section 6 of the Land Acquisition Act with respect to the aggrieved farmers. High Court has directed the state government to hear the petitioners within a period of 30 days. Bench partially allowed the writ petition of the petitioners, giving them opportunity for being heard.
जे सरकारान कितें चलयला भूसंपादन म्हणून तेका एक सायडीन हायकोर्टान स्थगिती दिल्ली आहा. आयच्या पेपरार ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर केल्लेलें आहा की जे पळय रीट पिटिशन आहात ते ऑलरेडी दोन मुद्दे घेवन गेल्ले. एक मुद्दो म्हटल्यार जे सरकारान अर्जन्सी क्लॉज 17 सेक्शन लायला पळय तें 17 सेक्शन म्हणजे अर्जन्सी क्लॉज. इतली जर अर्जन्सी आहा जाल्यार 9 ते 10 वर्सां तुमी संपादित कित्याक करतात जमीन असो प्रश्न येयला. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार जे पळय शेतकऱ्यांचे मागण्यो मागपाचे जावं कितें तरी आयकपाचें आसता सरकारान ते म्हटल्यार सेक्शन 5A ते सुद्दां सरकारान आज पर्यंत कोणाक विचारूंकय ना आनी तुमचे जमनी संपादीत करता म्हणून कितें लोकां पर्यंत संपर्कय सादूंक ना. तेजेर तो दुसरो पॉयंट आसलो हायकोर्टान. तेजेर अशें जालें की आतां डायरेक्टच 30 दिवसाची मुदत दिल्ली आहा सरकारान ह्या कोर्टान सरकाराक की त्या लोकांचे जे पळय रीट पिटिशन आहा तेंचे तुमी मागणे कितें आनी हें ती पब्लीक हियरिंग घेवन त्या लोकांचे कितें म्हणणें आहा तें सुद्दां आयकून घेवंक जाय.
Sandeep Kamli says that Churchill Alimam never raised his voice against Mopa Airport while he was a minister.
चर्चिल फाटल्या एका पॉलिटिक्सान आसलो तेजे कडेन मंत्री पद आसलें तेन्ना तो एक दीस उलयलो ना की विरोध बीन आहाल. आतां उलयता कित्याक आतां तेजेशीन कांयच ना. आतां परत खंय तरी इलेक्शनाक रावंक जाय म्हणून ते उलोवंक शकतात. तेंच्याशी आमचो कसलोच संबंध ना.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatti. Yellowfin Bombay vessel caught fire at Goa Shipyard Limited on Wednesday. The vessel was under repair. Sources in GSL say that the incident took place while welding work was on. However, GSL authority informed us off the camera that the cause of incident and loss will be ascertained.
Yellowfin Bombay vessel caught fire on Wednesday afternoon at the Goa shipyard. The vessel, originally built in Japan, belongs to the Fisheries Department of Government of India and was under repairs from the past month at the GSL. The incident occurred at around 12:30 in the afternoon on Wednesday.
उदळ हांव घर येतालो तेन्ना धुवर येताना दिसलें आनी मागीर 5 मिनटांचे मागीर ते उदीक घेवन घालताले दिलो.
कित्याक बील लागलो आतां कितलो वगत जालो तुका गरोवपाक आनी हांगसर उजो पेटलो ते?
देडांक ना 12:30 हांव बसलेलो तेन्ना पासून जाल्ले रे.
जवळ 12:30 सुमार उजो लागला.
हय त्या पयलीं पासून उजो येताना दिसोंक ना खाली धुवर
येतालो.
Sources in GSL informed us that the vessel caught fire while the welding work was on. Sources also say that the engine room and captain room has been totally damaged. However, no casualties were reported. Goa Shipyard Limited was supposed to address media, but later in the evening, PRO of GSL over the phone informed that the cause is still not known and loss is being ascertained. Our reporter from Murgaon, Surendra Matkekar.
A team for social action of Asolna Parish Pastoral Council will organize open forum in every wards for the people and candidates contesting the Panchayat election from Thursday. This open forum would be an opportunity for the voters to know the vision and plans of candidates for their wards.
Parish priest Father Lucio Dias says that open forum would provide opportunity to the candidates to tell the people about their purpose and plans for contesting the Panchayat election.
The theme for social action of the Parish Pastoral Council of Asolna have decided to have an open forum with all the candidates contesting for the Panchayat elections. The purpose of this open forum is an opportunity for the candidates to promote their vision for Asolna and their wards. And it is also an opportunity for the people to know what are the plans of these candidates for Asolna and for their wards. We have asked each and every candidate to come to their wards and deliver their purpose of contesting these elections.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
People say that filing of panchayat nominations and withdrawing it later has become business to earn fast money. They claim that number of people withdrawing their candidature from the fray point out to exchange of money. Watch Mayur Naik's report.
हाली तेंपाक गोंयांत वेंचणुकेच्या संदर्भात एक बरीच मोठी जागृताय अशी समाजामध्ये दिसून आयल्या. हाजो अनुभव आमी फाटी जाल्ल्या विधानसभेच्या वेळाचेर घेतलो. आतां 16 तारखेक फाल्यां पंचायत वेंचणूक जावपाची. जाहीर जाले नंतर अनेक तरेचे उमेदवार गांवांतल्यान तयार जाले. मोठ्या संख्येन ह्या उमेदवारांनी आपल्या समर्थकांक विचारून फॉर्म भरली आणि अवघ्या काही वेळा भितर ही मोठ्या संख्येनच परती विड्रॉ केली. समर्थकांक विचारून फॉर्म भरतात आणि मागीर कोणे तरी आव्हान करतकच ते फॉर्म तो समर्थकांक न विचारता फाटी घेता. आतां हे भरप आनी फाटी घेवप हाजे मदीं कसलो वेव्हार जाता काय कितें, विड्रॉवला खातीर कसलो वेव्हार जाता काय कितें अशी शंका घेवपा सारको दुबाव घेवपा सारकी परिस्थिती निर्माण जाल्या.
Anand Naik suspect money transfer from different lobbies with the candidates to withdraw their candidature.
आमच्या सांगे तालुक्यात वट्ट 7 पंचायती आसात. ह्या 7 पंचायतींनी 488 जणांनी उमेदवारी अर्ज भरिल्ले. तातले 70 जणांनी अर्ज फाटी घेतल्या. तेच परी केप्यां तालुक्यांत 8 पंचायती आसात. त्या 8 पंचायतींत मेळून 272 जणांनी अर्ज भरिल्ले. तातले 91 जणांनी अर्ज फाटी घेतल्या. जर तर तांकां जर उमेदवारी भरपाची नाशिल्ली किंवा निवडणुकीक फुडें वचपाचें नाशिल्लें जाल्यार ताणें अर्ज कित्याक भरलो असो एक प्रश्न निर्माण जाता.
A reporter from Kurtade, Mayur Naik.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.